So in this video, I'm going to talk about two concepts that are very important in electricity and magnetism. So the first concept is the concept of what? The concept of electricity. So under the concept of electricity, you need to understand that electricity and magnetism, the concept of electricity is there to help you understand that electricity, okay, electricity is a type of energy. It's a type of energy generated when charges are in motion. Okay, so when charges are in motion, so we know that from the concept of atoms and ions, we know that the synonym that we can use for a charge can be what? Atoms or electrons. So they want you to understand that in the concept of electricity, you need to understand that electricity is a type of energy that is generated when charges are in motion. That is to say that charges initially are mostly have what? In static energy or potential energy. The in static motion potential energy. So when a charge is in potential energy and then a force is applied to that charge. Whenever I apply a force to a charge, the charge will start to do what? Will start to move. It's now in motion. So charge is in motion, it's going to generate an energy called what? Electricity. So electricity is a type of energy generated when charges are in motion. That's the first thing to understand. Two, you may also understand the same concept by using the concept of energy. So electricity is a type of energy generated. Electricity is a type of energy generated when atoms transition from potential to kinetic energy. Potential to kinetic energy. So that's all you need to know about the concept of what? The concept of electricity and magnetism. One, energy or electricity is a type of energy generated when charges are in motion. So a charge will initially be in potential energy to be static. You apply force to the charge, then the charge will begin to move. When the charge is moving, to generate an energy called what? Electricity. Or in the same concept, using energy, you're going to say electricity is a type of energy generated when atoms transition from potential to kinetic energy. So if you understand the concept of electricity, we'll come to the concept of magnetism. So the concept of magnetism. The concept of magnetism. So under the concept of magnetism, you need to understand that moving charge generates a magnetic field. Moving charge generates what? Generates a magnetic field. So then the magnetic field that the moving charge generates so moving charge, right? If a charge is moving here, the charge is there, you apply force to it, begins to move, right, in that direction, generates a what? A magnetic field. Generates what? A magnetic field. So when a charge generates a magnetic field, the magnetic field induces other charges to start moving. Induces other charges to start moving. And this results into electric current. Electric current. So, under the concept of magnetism, you need to start to understand that moving charge is going to generate a magnetic field. When that magnetic field is generated, that magnetic field is going to induce other charges to start moving. As a result, you're going to have You're going to have an electric current. So we know that if there's a sea of electrons or atoms like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. If this charge here begins to move in that direction, we apply a force to this charge here, begins to move in this direction, it's going to generate a magnetic field around it. So this magnetic field will induce other charges to start moving in that same direction. So as a result, when all these charges start to move in that same direction, we're going to have what? An electric current. And we all know that an electric current is actually a flow of what? Multiple charges. So this is what you need to know about it. 1, the concept of electricity, and also the concept of magnetism.